everyone, in this video I want to tell you everything that we know from the new Volkswagen ID.3, from the presentation and Q&A afterwards, and a few interviews that I've seen and on the same day. As you know from a previous video, I put down a deposit and to have a spot for the launch edition. And let's go over what we know. So size-wise, it's outside, it's as big as a Volkswagen Golf, a bit higher though because of the batteries, and inside it should have room as a Passat, so way bigger than a Golf. Motor, we don't know, but Volkswagen on their webpage made a few remarks that it's powerful and that it's so much fun to have instant acceleration and stuff like this. So I'm guessing above 100 kilowatt, but not Tesla power, not 200. So I would guess 100 to 150 kilowatt will be the motor. What we know is that it will be rear-wheel drive. That's interesting. Batteries, we have a 45, 58 and 77 kilowatt hour batteries, and this is net capacity, so it's the power that's available to drive. And it has an 8-year warranty or 160,000 kilometers to down to 70%. So if your battery goes down under 70% of its original capacity in those 8 years or 160,000 kilometers, you get a new one. Range goes from 330 for the small, 420 for the middle, and 550 kilometers WLTP on the big battery. Charging will be DC charging with 100 kilowatt, and I hope it's real 100 kilowatt, not Kona, because Kona can charge with 73, 74, but Hyundai makes advertisement that it can charge with 100, which is not true. And they say that future models, so maybe different version or maybe with an update, can charge with 125. We'll see. AC will be 3-phase, so I'm guessing 11 kilowatt. 22 if this is an option that they didn't mention, and I doubt it also. The car is always connected to the internet. You have your navigation is done via internet, and you can receive updates over the air, but you also can receive updates through the dealership when they do stuff on your car. The car has matrix LED headlights. It will welcome you with a wink when you approach the car, and in a text on their website it says that it will help you with navigation. I don't know how, but we'll see. The car will have level 3 autonomy driving, but not from the start. It has the hardware in it, but the software will come at a later point. In a video that Volkswagen released, you can see the steering wheel a bit and a tiny bit of the screen. It looks cute. The small battery version, so the 45 kilowatt hour battery, base model will start under 30,000 euros here in Germany. The first edition, the one where I put the deposit of 1,000 euros down, will start at 40,000 euros. On the first day they already received 10,000 reservations, and it's limited to 30,000. If those people all will buy the car, that's a different point, because I don't even know yet. We have to see the car and the price and what's in there, and then we'll decide. There will be 3 versions of the first edition. Oh, I drove wrong. Totally drove wrong. Damn it. I can do it. The first one will have voice control and standard navigation, plus will have IQ lights and a bi-color interior and exterior. And Max will have a head-up display and a panoramic roof. What's included in the first edition is charging for free for 1 year. That means 2,000 kilowatt hours on public chargers that the WeCharge app, so the Volkswagen app, will support. So what comes next? Volkswagen wants to release their plan, what they're doing with other cars at the end of May. The car will be revealed, so with everything that everybody wants to know, weight, power of the motor and everything, in the Frankfurt Motor Show, and that this is in September 12th. And they will start production of the car in East Germany at the end of the year, and the first customers should get their car summer of 2020. So I'm excited and can't wait. We'll see if we take their car. We have to see how it all turns out. Thank you much for watching. That was really said, but you know what I meant. Have a great day. Bye.